Alright, we're all good to go.
One time I saw the light, it's chasing me, but I ran away into the darkness where it found me. But then I hit again, and I saw a spider, I screamed. Then it found me, it choked me, it nearly killed me. Why did I have to go near the light? It said to me that family is a gift that lasts forever. So I replied, who's the leader of the club that's made for you and me? He said, MIC, KYMOUSC. I said, Mickey Mouse? Crazy.